Imagine this. December 7th, 2015. You have $100,000 sitting in your bank account. You make one decision, one single investment, and then you do absolutely nothing for 10 years. No trading, no panic selling, no getting clever. Fast forward to today, December 5th, 2025, and that $100,000 has transformed into $358,957. That's right, you made $258,957 in gains by doing essentially nothing. But here's the real question. Could you actually have done it? Because this journey wasn't a smooth ride to the top. There were two brutal crashes along the way that made people abandon ship. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what happened year by year and whether you would have had the stomach to stay invested through the chaos. Quick favor, hit like and subscribe right now so YouTube shows this to more people who need to see it. Let's set the scene. It's December 7th, 2015, and you decide to invest your entire $100,000 into VOO, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. On that day, VOO is trading at $190.95 per share, which means your $100,000 buys you exactly 523.7 shares. Now, what exactly did you just buy? VOO isn't some risky tech stock or cryptocurrency gamble. It's an index fund that owns pieces of 504 of America's largest companies. We're talking Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Johnson & Johnson, all in one fund. And here's the beautiful part. VOO charges you only 0.03% in fees per year. That means on every $10,000 invested, you pay just $3 annually. Compare that to actively managed funds charging 1% or more, and you're keeping hundreds or thousands of extra dollars in your pocket over time. This fund manages over $800 billion in assets, making it one of the most trusted investment vehicles in the world. So you've made your investment. 523.7 shares of VOO, representing ownership in America's biggest companies. The commitment is simple. Hold for 10 years no matter what happens. No checking the price daily, no panic selling during crashes, no trying to time the market. Just buy and hold. This is where most people fail. Not because the strategy doesn't work, but because they can't handle the psychological warfare that comes with it. Let's talk about what actually happened year by year, because this is where the story gets real. 2015 ends with a modest 1.38% return. Not terrible, but not exciting either. You might be wondering if you made the right choice. 2016 brings 11.96% gains, and now you're feeling better about this decision. Your $100,000 is growing, and confidence is building. Then comes 2017 with a massive 21.83% return. Now you're convinced you're a genius investor. Your portfolio is climbing, friends are asking for advice, and everything feels great. But then 2018 arrives, and for the first time, you see red. The market drops 4.38%. Your $100,000 investment is now worth less than it was at the start of the year. The news is filled with doom and gloom. Trade wars, rising interest rates, recession fears. Your friends who invested are panicking. Some are selling. You lie awake at night wondering if you should cut your losses. This is the first real test of your discipline. Do you stay invested or do you fold? Here's what separates wealth builders from everyone else. You stay invested, and 2019 proves why that decision matters. The market explodes with a 31.49% return, the single best year in this entire 10-year period. Everyone who panic sold in 2018 missed this massive rebound. Your portfolio is now soaring past any losses from the previous year. 2020 arrives with a global pandemic, and somehow, despite the world shutting down, the market delivers 18.4% returns. 2021 continues the momentum with 28.71% gains. 3 consecutive years of monster returns, and your original $100,000 is now worth well over $220,000. You're feeling invincible, but the market has one more brutal test waiting for you. 2022 hits like a freight train. Inflation is raging at levels not seen in 40 years. The Federal Reserve is raising interest rates aggressively. Tech stocks are collapsing. Recession fears dominate headlines, and your portfolio drops 18.11%. The worst year in this entire decade. You've lost nearly 1/5 of your portfolio's value in just 12 months. Your account that was worth over $200,000 is now sitting around $180,000. Everyone around you is selling. Financial gurus on TV are screaming about the crisis. The psychological pressure is immense. This is the moment that defines your financial future. Do you panic and sell, locking in losses? Or do you remember the lesson from 2018 and hold steady? You hold. And here's what happens next. 2023 delivers a powerful 26.29% recovery. The market roars back with authority. 2024 continues the upward march with 25.02% gains. And here we are in 2025, and even with only partial year data through December 5th, the market is already up 18.22% year to date. Your portfolio has not only recovered from the 2022 crash, but has reached new all-time highs and keeps climbing. This is the power of staying invested through the storm. Now, let's break down exactly where your $258,957 in gains actually came from, because understanding this matters. The vast majority of your wealth, specifically $230,180.68, came from price appreciation. Your VOO shares that you bought at $190.95 each are now worth $630.48 per share. That's an increase of $439.53 per share, or 230.18%. With your 523.7 shares, this price appreciation alone accounts for 88.9% of your total gains. This is where the real wealth was built. But there's another component that many people overlook: dividends. Over these 10 years, you received exactly 40 quarterly dividend payments. In late 2015 and early 2016, VOO was paying around $1 per quarter. By 2017 through 2019, dividends had climbed to between $1 and $1.46 per quarter. Even during the pandemic years of 2020 through 2022, when many companies struggled, dividends continued growing, ranging from $1.18 to $1.67 quarterly. By 2023 and 2024, dividend payments accelerated to between $1.49 and $1.84 per quarter. In 2025, the first 3 quarters paid $1.81, $1.74, and $1.74 per share respectively. When you add up all 40 quarterly payments over 10 years, your 523.7 shares collected $54.95 in total dividends per share. That's $28,776.70 in dividend income, representing 11.1% of your total gains. This averaged $2,877.67 per year in passive income. Now here's the crucial point. These figures assume you took the dividends as cash. If you had reinvested those dividends back into buying more VOO shares through a dividend reinvestment plan, your returns would be significantly higher because those reinvested dividends would have bought additional shares that appreciated and generated their own dividends, creating a powerful compounding effect. So, let's see the complete picture. Your initial $100,000 investment grew to $330,180.68 through price appreciation. Add the $28,776.70 in dividends, and your total portfolio value stands at $358,957.37. That's a total return of 258.96%, or an annualized return of 13.64% per year. Your money didn't just double, it multiplied by 3.6 times. For every dollar you invested, you received $3.59 back. Why did this work so well? Several factors came together during this specific decade. First, VOO's ultra-low 0.03% expense ratio meant you kept virtually all your returns instead of paying them to fund managers. Second, you had instant diversification across 504 companies, eliminating the risk of any single company destroying your wealth. Third, this decade benefited from the ongoing recovery after the 2008 financial crisis, with companies having restructured and become more efficient. Fourth, technology giants like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Tesla experienced explosive growth, and these companies collectively represent about 1/3 of the S&P 500's value. Fifth, for most of this period until 2022, interest rates were extremely low, making stocks more attractive than bonds or savings accounts. And finally, S&P 500 companies consistently grew their earnings, which is the fundamental driver of stock prices. But here's what you need to understand. Not every 10-year period delivers these kinds of returns. The 2000 to 2010 decade was brutal for stock investors after the dot-com crash and financial crisis. The 2015 to 2025 period happened to be exceptionally strong. Future decades might deliver lower returns, and that's fine because the principles remain the same. What are those principles? First, time in the market beats timing the market. You survived 2 negative years and still achieved 258% returns because you stayed invested. Second, volatility is simply the price you pay for long-term gains. VOO ranged from lows around $167 in 2016 to highs of $631 in 2025, nearly a 4 times range, and riding that volatility created wealth. Third, simplicity wins. No day trading, no stock picking, no complicated strategies, just one fund held patiently. Fourth, costs matter enormously. Saving even 1% in fees means keeping tens of thousands of extra dollars. And fifth, emotional discipline separates winners from losers. The investors who panicked in 2018 and 2022 locked in losses right before massive rebounds. Here's the bottom line. $100,000 invested in VOO 10 years ago would be worth $358,957 today through sheer discipline. No crypto gambling, no meme stocks, no trading apps. Just buying 523.7 shares of America's top companies and ignoring the noise for a decade. 2 brutal crashes couldn't stop the compounding machine. But I need to ask you honestly, could you have held through that 4% drop in 2018 when everyone was panicking? Could you have stomached that 18% crash in 2022 when the financial world seemed to be ending? Because that's where the money is made, in having the courage to do nothing when everyone else is running for the exits. The numbers don't lie. Time and discipline build wealth. The next 10 years starts right now. If you found this analysis valuable, do me a favor. Hit that like and subscribe button and turn on notifications so you catch every video. Share this with one friend who needs to see what patient investing can do. And comment below with your biggest takeaway from this 10-year journey. I read every single comment. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Investment performance shown is based on historical data and projections. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Always conduct your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching.